Hello guys, it's Georgie from GB Autoworks, and today we've got some special car for me. You can see it in the background. We're not gonna do some complicated job. We're not a Porsche specialist, but we like them. So I'm gonna share today, we're gonna just do a front brake decent parts and the rear parts with the sensor, and I'm gonna explain actually what is, so I would say not complicated specific, because the left and the right brake disc for the Porsche are different. Also the sensors are different as well for the left side and for the right side. I will show the part number. We're going to use a budget. Customer is happy with that, and yeah. So this is how it looks like. The brakes, the front brakes, the sensor here is connected there to the IBS, and it has a really nice clip, so it will not go anywhere. So you can see the difference between the normal cars when they just plugged in. Here has a protection click or clip, whatever you would like to call. So here on the table is everything for the job. There is the part number for the brake sensors. This is the front and rear right side, and this is front and rear the left side. The brake pads, that's the part number. This is how it look like, how they look like. There is the front part number as well. So just to mention for the people who are not familiar with the Pagit is the Techstar brand for UK, and also they manufacture it for a lot of back group stuff as well, oil fitment. Right, next one, we're jumping for the front brake discs. This is front right, and that's the number. And this is front left, and the number is this one. That's a number from Eurocar parts, so they're available there. So you can buy your front brake disc parts and rear parts as well with the sensor from Eurocar parts. They're available there. So some updates on the Porsche. Not every time when you work on nearly 20 years old Porsche is straightforward job. In our scenario, we had a problem with the bolts for the caliper. They were stuck. Actually, it was down on the size for the T55. We managed to take one of them. Actually, we took one of them, but other one we just should drill it, and after that cut it, tap it. I'm just gonna show you in a minute. Out for a design 911, they supplied 4 bolts for us. Thank you very much. It was a next day delivery, really reasonable price. Oh, this is how it looks like, the old bolt, or what is left from it. So what I've done is I just drill the head, and after that we snap the rest of it. I had 3 nuts to weld on and to try to take the bolt out. I wasn't able. I tried to weld another bolt. I snapped the bolt. I tried heat up the bolt. It didn't work out. And after that we ended drill it and tap it again. Caliper sat nice and flush all around with the new bolts. So yeah, now it's time to clean the hub and assemble everything together. How it looks like a hub, clean, nice and shiny, no grease, no nothing underneath, and we're gonna fit the disc now straightforward. Disc is on. Here is how we refit the hole, the top as well. Close. That was the bolt from the top. Really bad. Right. Keep working on. See how we're gonna end up everything. Right here, the hub is nice and shiny, clean, where the disc should sat. Also, we've cleaned them holes for the small bolts holding the disc with the tap to make sure everything can go nicely. So those bolts for the caliper are 85 Newton meters. Front and everything is done, fitted. Brake pads, disc, sensors, absolutely spot on. Connected here as well. So now I have to move to the back. Yeah, Sometimes to work on old Porsche is not so easy, but it's still nice. Done. Finally, front brake disc parts and the rear parts on that beautiful Porsche is done. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time.